If you've ever asked the question, is it safe to buy drugs on the dark web? Well, this news article really should be a massive warning to you because no, despite what you might read elsewhere, buying illicit drugs, weapons, ammunition or anything like that, anything is illegal on websites that are on the Tor network isn't completely private and isn't completely anonymous. An international law enforcement operation has resulted in the arrests of 288 vendors who are believed to be involved in drug trafficking on the dark web, adding to a long list of criminal enterprises that have been shuttered in recent years. The effort, codenamed Operation SpecTor, also saw authorities confiscating more than 53.4 million in cash and virtual currencies, 850 kilograms of drugs and 117 firearms. The largest number of arrests were made in the US, 153. This represents the most funds seized and the highest number of arrests in any coordinated international action, US Attorney General Merrick Garland said. The drug traffickers are confident that, by operating anonymously on the dark web, they can operate outside the bounds of the law. They are wrong. The arrests stem from evidence gathered after the takedown of the monopoly marketplace by German authorities in December 2021. Doc.file in early 2022 revealed that the criminal bazaar's servers were likely seized by law enforcement, although there was no official announcement. The vendors arrested as a result of the police action against Monopoly Market were also active on other illicit marketplaces, further impeding the trade of drugs and illicit goods on the dark web, Europol said. As a result, 288 vendors and buyers who engaged in tens of thousands of sales of illicit goods were arrested across Europe and the United States and Brazil. Europol said a number of these apprehended individuals were considered as high-value targets, adding law enforcement agencies gained access to the vendors' extensive buyer list, potentially exposing thousands of customers who are now at risk of prosecution. Operation SpecTor is a successor to Disruptor and Dark Hunter, which led to the arrest of 329 alleged suspects in 2020 and 2021 for buying, selling and coordinating the sale of outlaw goods across underground marketplaces and shops. The development also comes as the FBI and the National Police of Ukraine seized 9 virtual currency exchanges for knowingly offering cryptocurrency conversion services to criminal actors responsible for ransomware and other scams. This dismantling is part of a broader effort undertaken by governments in Europe and the US to target infrastructure used by malicious actors to launder illegal proceeds and obscure the money trails.